Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I am back with another trade recap for Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. And I again was using ICT's 2022 Mentorship entry model. Right. So I'm here on the SPX500. This first blue line is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, what I do is I mark up my most recent high as well as the most recent low. All right. And so you can see the market broke this low right before 8:30. So from here at 8:30, I drop down to the 1 minute chart. Okay. And looking for fair value gaps. Okay. And I should also mention that based on the higher time frame, the daily time frame, let me get back over there. So already expecting this market to go down, all right, simply because we have already ran liquidity here on the daily. All right, had relatively equal highs here. You can kind of go back and see where we had relatively equal highs here as well. All right, and so this market is pretty much running or seeking low side liquidity, so I'm expecting this market to go down. All right, so let me jump back over to finish the trade recap. All right, so again, before 8:30 the market dropped down. Here's 8:30. I see that a fair value gap was made here, so I'm planning my entry to go in there, and I place my stop right above the candle that created the fair value gap, or should I say the number one candle of the 1, 2, 3 fair value gap setup. And I always add 50 points, okay, to it. And so that put us at 67, but I made it 70 points. Okay. As far as targeting, what I did was I targeted the low of this channel that price broke out of. Okay. And that is how I grabbed my 440 points for the day. Pretty successful trade in the morning, so I did not look for an afternoon setup. All right. Let me see if I can kind of give you guys a little bit of analysis. I'm gonna hop back on the daily chart just to show you guys what's kind of going on right now. So the market did come down and hit this daily order block right here, or demand as I like to call it. Okay, it tapped right into it. So we're probably we did get a reaction, okay, just before it. So we're probably gonna get a pullback to at least, let me see which one I want. I'll show you guys the OTE fib. All right. To at least the 50%, all right, to fill this gap if we create a swing low. So if tomorrow's candle, if the low closes above this low, that's going to be a swing low for us. All right, so it's very possible that this market may go up. So tomorrow at 8:30, again, I will set my swing high, my most recent swing high and swing low that was created before sorry about that. That was created before 8:30, and I'm thinking that the lows will be ran first, and then we may get that push up. But if not, if we get a trade set up, a bearish trade set up, then we'll just continue to trade this lower, possibly into or through this daily demand. Okay. But all in all, guys, that is how I caught 440 points today, and my account is up 44% just today alone. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it in a nutshell. The shout out to ICT for sharing that entry model. It's a great strategy, great scalping strategy, and you guys should give it a try. All right, thanks so much. If you're not yet a subscriber or a follower, depending on if you're here on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, even Facebook, please do me the honor and joining the community by subscribing or following me, and comment below in the building. But comment below in the comments what you guys think. All right, guys, as always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.